We reached a milestone today. It's now been, excuse me, that's a bottle of water, 100 days since the World Health Organization declared the outbreak a pandemic. So where are we now? Well, the debate over masks continue. It's now mandatory to wear one in public in California, and cities like Dallas and Tampa are now doing the same. Meanwhile, this is crazy. AMC Theaters is set to start showing movies again next month, but face masks will not be mandatory. The CEO says the reason for the decision is to avoid any political controversy. Okay, what gets me really mad about this, Erica, is that he made it political. If it's just scientists telling us to wear masks, that's apolitical. It's just a fact. I will definitely not be going to an AMC for fear that there is just a hot spot of germs of coronavirus. Had they just simply said, we're going to follow the guidelines, you wouldn't have had an uproar about this.
I find it interesting how everything is political.
Yeah.
Like, as if the virus is like, no, you're a Democrat, but this Republican over here,
I'm gonna get
or
you.
the liberal, definitely the liberal. You know, it's like, it's so weird that people find a way to politicize
even science,
everything.
Yeah.
If you are going to, here, this is my concern. It's our front lines. It's our medical professionals. And if they decide that, you know what, we're not being respected, so we're just going to get the medical professional flu and all the doctors and nurses just walk out of hospitals, what are we going to do then?
Yeah.
Because there's a precedence for that. This is not a political discussion.
Exactly.
It's about the idea of overwhelming our health system, and also the idea that a ton of people have died from this virus. It's for real.
Yeah. We had 45 deaths a day starting this week. We're at 115,000 total. It's going to reach 2 million. Brandon, will you be catching a flick at the AMC theaters soon?
I haven't been to a movie theater in forever. Anyway, I fall asleep when I go to movies anyway. It's so comfortable there. But no, I will not. Tori, I'm not going anywhere where people aren't wearing masks. I'm just not ready yet. And I don't think a lot of people in this country are ready for that. But at the same time, I have seen people make a huge deal off of being required to wear a mask in an establishment. And if I'm AMC, you know, you want people to come in and going to see a movie be an escape. You don't want people to come in and have to deal with that. So I can see why they're doing this. And now it's like, you understand, if you're going to see this movie, there are going to be people without masks there. So yeah. I guess they're trying to like leave the people at home that want to stay at home. But at the end, like, I'm just not ready to be around people without masks.
Yeah, and I appreciate AMC trying to understand their people and their audience, and I get that as a business. But when science says to do so, I think you have to listen to the facts. And Bin31 just wrote, common sense is not common. Interesting. Good take on